In the heart of a small town, Rahul ambles along with a dejected demeanor, indifferent to the drab surroundings. A palpable sense of ennui hangs heavy in the air as Rahul trudges forward, seemingly lost in his own world. The town exudes a quiet monotony, mirroring Rahul's own internal state of listlessness and resignation. In a bustling tea stall, Rahul's weariness hangs heavy as he listlessly stirs his tea. Sunil's calm demeanor radiates as he approaches, a stark contrast to Rahul's despondency. Rahul's voice heavy with fatigue, he asks, wearily, "Sunil, you always seem so happy. What's your secret?" In a desaturated flashback, Sunil is hunched over a steaming cup of tea, his face a mirror of Rahul's current despair. Sunil's past self mirrors Rahul's present, both lost and burdened by the world's weight. Sunil recounts his past, revealing a younger version of himself, mirroring Rahul's current state. In the tranquil embrace of morning, Sunil's neighborhood awakens, gently kissed by the sun's first light. With a serene expression, Sunil steps into the tranquil streets, where the air is crisp and the world is at peace. Sunil walks through the quiet streets, a peaceful expression on his face. In the quiet solitude of his sparsely furnished apartment, Rahul's resolute expression intensifies as he sets his alarm. The dim glow of the bedside lamp casts long shadows, accentuating the quiet determination etched on Rahul's face. A glance around the room reveals a hint of resolve in his eyes, setting the stage for the challenges that lie ahead. As the first rays of dawn gently grace the horizon, Rahul rises to greet the day from his balcony. With a glass of warm water in hand, Rahul savors the crisp, clean air, his deep breaths a silent hymn to the awakening world. The rising sun transforms the sky into a canvas of vibrant colors, a breathtaking symbol of hope and new beginnings. Bathed in the soft light of dawn, Rahul strolls through his neighborhood, a landscape suddenly bursting with newfound wonder. A child's fleeting masterpiece, etched in chalk upon the pavement, whispers tales of innocence and joy. The intricate carvings on a neighbor's porch, once overlooked, now stand as silent sentinels of forgotten stories. Vibrant blossoms erupt in unexpected corners, painting the world with strokes of audacious color. The world pulses with life, every detail amplified, every moment a revelation. In the dimly lit apartment, long shadows dance across the walls as Rahul immerses himself in the pages of a worn book. Rahul, brow furrowed in deep concentration, slowly turns a page, his eyes scanning the text for hidden meanings. In the thick silence of the night, broken only by the soft rustle of pages, Rahul contemplates the profound meaning behind a quote. Rahul, driven by unwavering resolve, commits himself to incorporating another positive habit into his daily routine. Rahul's office is now a haven of productivity and collaboration, with a smile gracing Rahul's face. The air is filled with camaraderie as Rahul engages with his colleagues, infusing positivity into every interaction. The office radiates joy, marking a stark contrast to the somber atmosphere of the past. In Rahul's cozy kitchen, a symphony of synchronized movements and aromatic spices creates an atmosphere of warmth and unspoken love. The gentle rhythm of chopping vegetables becomes a silent, heartfelt dialogue between mother and son. A comfortable silence fills the air, heavy with shared understanding and affection. Under the vibrant evening sky, a bustling tea stall comes alive with the cheerful sounds of a lively crowd, and steam from countless cups dances in the air. Rahul, now brimming with the same radiant energy that once defined Sunil, meets his friend once again. Sunil observes the transformation in Rahul, remarking, "I see the change in you, Rahul. It's amazing what small habits can do." Sunil marvels at the impact of simple routines, uttering, "It's amazing what small habits can do." Under the sun's golden embrace, Rahul strides through the heart of town, each step echoing newfound confidence as he greets neighbors with a radiant smile. With each sunrise, the townspeople echo Rahul's positivity, weaving a tapestry of shared smiles and neighborly greetings that transform the very essence of their community. Bathed in the warm glow of unity, the town emerges anew, its streets now alive with laughter, its spirit lifted by the simple act of human connection.